Welcome to our comprehensive guide on parlay betting on FanDuel. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your betting experience smooth and enjoyable. First up, let's get you started by creating a FanDuel account. Follow these simple steps to sign up and begin your betting journey. Now that you have your account, let's navigate the FanDuel interface. We'll help you find your way to the parlay bet section. Choosing the right games is crucial for a successful parlay bet. Here are some tips to help you select your games wisely. Understanding odds can completely transform your betting experience. Let's break down how odds work and their impact on your parlay bets. Now, let's walk through the process of placing your parlay bet on FanDuel. Follow these steps for a hassle-free experience. Managing your bankroll is key to successful betting. Here are some best practices to help you stay on track. Keeping tabs on your bets is essential. Let's explore how to effectively track your outcomes on FanDuel. Avoiding pitfalls can make a huge difference in your betting success. Here are common mistakes to steer clear of. Thanks for joining our guide on parlay betting with FanDuel. We hope you're now ready to maximize your betting experience.